Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and this one is going to be kind of quick, I think. I want to show you guys how to make this quick hammer icon. This is good for games. Well, me personally, I see a hammer icon pretty frequently, so this is going to be useful. Anyways, let's start right here with our first layer. Boom. We're going to start with the handle. We're going to take our pencil. We're going to make sure we have fill right here, and we're going to start with our first point, our second point right here, our third point. We're going to curve our fourth point. We're going to hold Alt, click to reset this curve, and our fourth point is going to go right here and back up. Complete the shape. We're going to take this, select this orange color, and now we're gonna make a new layer, pencil. We're gonna go ahead and make this shape right here. I'm thinking we start from right here and go down, and I'm going to approximate this point, probably like right here or so. Boom, curve. We go up, curve again to right here. Turn fill off for now, and I think this should go up here, across to here, and back up. Move this across. We're going to change the color. Go on to a new layer, pencil, and this is the shading, which will just basically across here. It's gonna go up and back over here. Basically, I'm going to bring this across, right click and hit create mask. We're gonna change the color like so, and now basically we're gonna take our pencil. We're going to make the parts, the shadowed parts that give this icon the depth dimensions, basically. So we're just going to complete this shape. So right here, let's change the color quick. Move this right here, and this is basically our shape. New layer. We're going to take a pencil, new layer. This will be for the highlight that you see right here, down, and boom, right there is fine. And I'm going to also clip this in like so. Now we have a nice highlight. Now we're going to take our ellipse tool, new layer, go ahead, grab this color, Control T to rotate, try to get this shape right here. New layer, pencil, create this shape right here. There's a little step here, you can see that. Boom. So go up, change the color, and also enlarge this, I guess, to make it fit right about there. Right click, blending options, inner shadow, make sure it's white, and there we have that. We're going to align these. Let's apply a stroke to the handle. Boom. I'll say 25 is fine. And we're gonna take this, group it all up, Control J to copy, and we're just going to apply a stroke to this object right over here. Position these. If you want to add some shading to the handle, it's very simple. Just make a new layer, clip. You can very easily just do this as well. Just make it dark. Boom, copy it again. I don't know why that error keeps popping up. It's really annoying. And yeah, that is basically it. Here is our finished icon. Let's try to make this look presentable. So I'm gonna enlarge, do some blurring. Very simple. Boom, 35. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is a very quick one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.